Welcome back, my darlings. Today I'm doing a video on CarPro Reset as a snow foam. Now I'm trying to see if this is good enough at cleaning to not need Built Hamber Auto Foam as the snow foam solution. And I see this because this is a brilliant cleaning shampoo. It's probably the best shampoo I've ever used. It's designed for resetting ceramic coatings, cleaning all the gunk out of the finish, stripping it back, and then letting the ceramic coating do its work. And it works on any LSP, so wax, sealant, it makes any of them perform back to kind of nearer their fresh install state. But it's a good cleaner. So, is it good enough to replace Built Hamber Auto Foam? Or is Built Hamber Auto Foam still the best cleaning snow foam solution out there? That's what I aim to find out, and that's what this video is going to be about. All right, let's get outside, shall we? Okay, it's a pretty simple test. I'm going to do half the boot with Built Hamber Auto Foam at 4% PIR, and the other half with CarPro Reset at its dilution ratio that is suggested. It's a completely different amount. So the 4% PIR at the flow rate of my pressure washer and how I have the bottle set up in the lamps is about 450 ml of product, whereas the CarPro Reset is 3 capfuls. And you can see here that the CarPro Reset foam is just falling off the car. You know, it's really not dwelling at all. And this is in comparison to Built Hamber Auto Foam, which is already not a thick and long dwelling foam. So that's not fantastic. But I saw this and thought, this could be better because people rave about this in other videos I've seen show it being a lot thicker. So I was doing a test on the left-hand side here where I upped the ratio of CarPro Reset in the foam bottle. We can see how that works. Okay, so that has been a 4-minute dwell time. See, both sides have kind of drifted off pretty evenly. Now, anyway, this side, the CarPro side, fell off very easily. Now, I've done a quick test on the left-hand side of the car, where I increased the concentration of the CarPro, put another capful of cleaner of the Reset into the bottle, and got a far thicker foam. So try and say that 3 times fast. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to repeat that, but on camera on the right hand side to see if that makes any difference as well. But for now, I'm going to rinse it off. Right, well that's night and day difference, isn't it? The Reset is like it's not done anything really, not compared to the the Built Hamber Auto Foam. As an example, look, it's a clear line there in the dirt. Do the same thing over here. Barely anything. So the same thing has happened when I did it on the other side as well with the thicker foam, which is made from a higher concentration of the CarPro Reset. I'm going to repeat that on the other side and film it so you can see for yourselves. But yeah, so far, no. CarPro Reset is not a replacement for Built Hamber Auto Foam. I don't know, was I surprised? Maybe not. Bit gutted? Yes. But yeah, back onto that. I'm going to show you again, and then I can get on with cleaning the car properly. What you're about to see here is just how much thicker the foam is now. I've added in an extra capful. The dwell time's a lot longer. It's more comparable to the Built Hamber in terms of dwelling. If not a little bit better. Let's have a look on the running board at the bottom there. You can see how much whiter and how much more is holding on to the front than it is at the back. Now that's the CarPro Reset at the front being a thicker foam. There you go, another demonstration there, and I think I'm going to drag the finger across so you can see the difference. But look, this is the Reset side. In person, this is very dirty compared to this side. I don't know what it's coming out like on the camera, but yeah, that is completely different. So, in answer to the question, can you use CarPro Reset instead of Built Hamber Auto Foam as your snow foam to get a good cleaning power? No, stick with the Auto Foam.